Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best long guitar cord on the market, the Sovvid 20-foot instrument cable. Whether you're a seasoned guitarist, bassist, or just starting out, having a reliable and high-quality cable is essential to getting the best sound from your instrument, and the Sovvid cable promises to deliver just that. Right from the start, this cable stands out with its sturdy construction and smart design. It features a right-angle 1/4 inch connector on one end, which is a great choice for protecting your guitar's input jack from unnecessary stress or damage during play. This design also keeps the connection stable, so you won't have to worry about your sound cutting out unexpectedly while performing or practicing. What really sets the Sovvid cable apart is the quality of materials used. It is built with high-density oxygen-free copper conductors, which means it provides fast and stable audio transmission with minimal signal loss. This oxygen-free copper combined with a double shielding design of braided OFC and TPE insulation helps reduce interference and noise, giving you a clear and pure sound every time you plug in. Durability is another key factor here. The cable is wrapped in a tough nylon braided jacket that's been tested to withstand over 15,000 bends. This makes it not only flexible and resistant to tangling but also highly abrasion resistant, ensuring it holds up well under heavy use and on the road. The soldered connections are protected by rotatable copper casings, adding another layer of durability and reliability that musicians will appreciate. This cable is also incredibly versatile. It works seamlessly with a wide range of musical instruments and audio devices. Electric and acoustic guitars, basses, keyboards, mixers, amplifiers, pedals, electronic organs, and more. If your gear has a 6.35mm interface, this cable will be compatible, making it a handy go-to solution for many setups. In terms of length, 20 feet gives you ample room to move around on stage or in your studio without feeling tethered, which is perfect for performers who need that extra freedom. Despite its length, the Sovvid cable maintains signal clarity and strength, so you get consistent performance without the typical issues associated with longer cables. Overall, the Sovvid 20-foot instrument cable is designed with the modern musician in mind. It combines professional-grade materials, thoughtful design elements, and robust durability into an affordable package. If you're looking for a long guitar cable that delivers reliability, clean sound, and long-lasting wear, this is a great choice. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth product insights. Thanks for watching.